Okay, looking at all the details, grabe.
Let's give her
such a stunner.
On center stage. Again, a big warm round of applause. Our Hall of Fame awardee, Heart Evangelista Escudero. Thank you, Missy.
Thank you very much. Look at that moment. Really, this look deserves all the moments it can get from tonight. Moving forward, we have our next Hall of Fame awardee.
Our next Hall of Fame awardee, one of our favorites. Of course, we have none other than Mr. Alden Richards.
Congratulations! Ayan na! Okay, look at that. Very subtle but so elegant. I'm
All the
loving
time.
Gold details, black and gold. And syempre, with the dimples, diba? Iba talaga. Ayan na. Matchy with the trophy. Parang meant to be, diba? Diba? Parang ano? Parang there na yung trophy.
There is
Sa
outfit.
Parang ano, pagkakay ko sa trophy na.
It's Dolce & Gabbana Mix Caparello with a Caparello. Dolce & Dolce. Thank you, Mr. Alden Richards. Give you a big warm round of applause. Next Hall of Fame awardee is none other than the guy who joined us at the start of the program, Mr. Ding Dong Dantes.
Congratulations! Please join us, Mr. Ding Dong Dantes. Iba talaga ang format.
Classic talaga. It's a classic kind of class.
You mention your Block 49. Try na lang yung caption. Suppose. Smile.
Congratulations, Doc.
Love it. Yes. And of course,
Last but not the
last
least,
but not the least, Marian Rivera.
Hall of Fame awardee, of course, goes without saying.
Looking so elegant, always.
And forever.
I know. Grabe, so angelic. Whatever she wears, parang glow lagi. Ayun na nga.
It's something-
Nakita mo yung glow?
Something is Rosario.
Born with the glow.
Yes. Congratulations. Again, a big warm round of applause for our Hall of Fame awardee, Miss Marian Rivera Dantes.
Always so beautiful and stunning. Thank you so much for gracing us with your beauty and your impactful red carpet looks to our Hall of Famers.
And we have one more actually, another Hall of Fame red carpet awardee, because when she walks into a room, everybody sits up and takes notice.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, our last Hall of Fame awardee, Miss Bea Alonzo.
Yes, Miss Bea Alonzo.
In immaculate white, dressed by Christine. Am I right? By Alaya. As a Dean Alaya.
Hello, Bea. So good to see you. Look at that.
Wow.
Diba? Everything is so perfect.
As a Dean
Dinala
Alaya.
lang siya. Dinala lang siya.
Responded by our friend Grace, of course.
Okay. Okay,
Yes.
so beautiful.
Wow,
Bea.
look at that.
I love every detail, oh. Look at that. Okay, smile.
A big warm round of Kapuso applause for Bea
Diba?